Well, this pandemic has certainly affected just about every business, including the medical cannabis industry. Stetson Miller shows us how they're adapting to the social distancing guidelines.
The state of Maryland and medical marijuana distributors are doing everything they can to make sure that patients have access to cannabis during this pandemic while still keeping them safe. One of the businesses that's doing that is here in Pasadena, and they're doing it with the drive-thru. Oceanside Cannabis is trying to make access to medical marijuana during the coronavirus pandemic as safe and simple as possible.
Have a wonderful evening.
Patients simply place an order, get their medical cannabis status verified, and then get a text to come pick it up at a drive-thru window without ever having to leave their car. Medical marijuana growers, processors, and dispensaries can all still operate because they're considered essential healthcare businesses in Maryland.
And cannabis is medicine. It'd be the same as, denying somebody their insulin. There's folks that depend on this.
Oceanside Cannabis opened its doors for the first time on Friday in the midst of the pandemic. Months ago, they had grander opening plans, but had to quickly adapt when the coronavirus started sickening people across the state.
Originally, the drive-through that window was sealed off, and we weren't going to use that at all. So with the COVID, it just seemed like, why not use this? We have the opportunity.
Patients say cannabis is a very important part of their treatment.
It's a part of my pain management.
And the only thing I use for medication is cannabis, nothing else.
It might be even more critical during this pandemic.
Especially now with the times the way they are, cannabis is known to relieve stress and anxiety. So, it's a very good time to have the availability and the access.
And Michael says he's hoping they can keep this drive-through going even after the social distancing guidelines are lifted. In Pasadena, Stetson Miller for WJZ.